Hello, everybody. I am Rahul Zubairullah, faculty of Footwear Design at Development Institute, FDDI Noida campus. And the students of Masters in Design has organized the jury presentation for their achievements, whatever they have been throughout the years they have been worked hard according to their inspirations, research, ideation, illustration, and visualization. So, very firstly, I will start to question my students in the morning, and he has done amazing works. And I will ask him. Firstly, you must have to introduce about yourself.
Sure, sir. I am Chandramouli Gupta. I am a student of FDDI MDes, Footwear Design and Production. I am a student of the first semester, first year of my college. This is my teacher, Hafiz sir. Over to you, sir.
Yeah. Explain about the journey of your design and how you have been inspired by the theme and what was the inspiration, ideation, inspiration, and your entire journey of your design to achieve this amazing works that you have been displayed in this film.
Sure, sir. Sir, so first I'll just give you an overview of it. Both the prototypes I've tried developing are basketball shoes. We'll come to the first prototype, which is this one, sir. So this prototype for this, I've selected a theme which is called biomorphism. Biomorphism is nothing but it's basically nature's geometry which is translated into art or design. So elements of nature we take and we draw inspiration from it or draw concept from it and generate our patterns in case for shoes. So if we see, I've tried, so it should not be rigid lines. That's one very important thing of biomorphism. So I've tried ideating some sketches and then, so this is a moth. It's a house moth. That's generally the common name is triangles or semi-looper. I spotted it in the hostel washroom and this is where I draw my inspiration from. If you see, it has the same triangular patterns that has been reflected on the shoe. So from this moth, I have done the pattern generation on both the sides of the shoe. So the user persona it has been inspired from is a basketball player called Kyrie Irving because I've been developing basketball shoes. Both the shoes are inspired from two of my favorite players. So Kyrie Irving is a player who is very unpredictable and very dynamic. So to explain the unpredictability of it, I have chosen to do a asymmetric design on both the sides of it because symmetry mostly represents balance. He does not represent balance. He represents the unpredictability. That's why the asymmetry in the design. After this is my sketch to final form generation.
One question is that,
yes,
can you tell me about pattern engineering that you have been conducting to develop these prototypes? So what was the process of that?
Okay, so the process starts from here, which is masking a last. Okay, after we mask a last like this, we cut it to the center through and through and paste it on a pattern sheet and generate something which we call a standard form. Okay, from here we derive different elements or the patterns we cut and we put it on a shoe and shape it around the last to give it the exact shape of our feet. Last is basically a replica of feet, so it basically helps us design and ideate something that would properly fit, ensure proper fit on our
Very good, very good,
yeah.
very good.
So this is my prototype and how it shows the design balance. So even if you see, there's a asymmetric balance in it, but with the color contrast and everything, it creates an emphasis on it. But if you see, even with so much of different dynamics, there's a unity to the design. Next, we'll come to a second prototype, sir.
So can you elaborate about this shoe box as you have been designed based on your theme? So how the inspiration came?
Sure, sir. So for this, the theme I chose was pop culture. So if you see, there's a movie called Space Jam, in which one of the most famous basketball players of all time, LeBron James, has acted on it. So he's a very energetic, rhombus kind of player with a very powerful personality. That's why I used all these flashy colors. Even if you see the color tone of the movie poster and everything, the jersey as it's worn, I've used the same color components in it. So this is the mood board and how from a sketch I have ideated to this. This is my final illustration, the medial and the lateral view. So for this, one thing I did, so whenever it's a movie or something, a memorabilia shoe, it should have a motif or an element, sir. So to generate this element, I chose LeBron's one of the signature dunks, and from that I got a thunder shape. If you look at it hand and knee angles, you get a thunder.
Amazing.
So I tried different kinds of thunders, what fits, and this is what I thought looked best with the shoe. Whenever there is a motif attached to it, it creates a sense of relatability. Okay? Like whenever you see a flash, we think of a car movie called Lightning McQueen. Similarly, I wanted to create a brand identity for this and something that showcases the player's personality a little more maybe. So this is how I've used the proportion geometry, larger shapes. If you see, these are larger shapes, proper symmetry, proper straight lines, and this curves add a contrast to it, and it highlights the entire part of it.
Very good, Chandramali. And
और ये storyboarding है, which you asked for, sir. I was away.
so very congratulations to you for the research, ideation, and getting such amazing inspiration to create a
Do
wonderful
you want to see the
designs.
box design, sir?
Best of luck for your future design.
Okay. You want to see the box?
You want to introduce? Yeah.
So if you look at the box, so the box has a retracting mechanism. So when it closes, it goes inside, and then when it opens, the shoe pops up, which creates emphasis on the shoe. And the shape of the box is in a shape of thunder, okay, which is the same design element which I have portrayed here. And the opening, if you see, it creates a frame for the shoe too. There's a logo I have inspired from my name initials, which is DG, and it stands on the shoe and the box as well. The logo ideation has been done by me. Here's my other projects, if you're
Very
interested.
good. So best of luck for the future journey.
Oh, thank you.
Have a good day. Anand, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Have a good day for your presentation.
Thanks.
Can you explain about your work and how did you start your journey of your life? So you can explain about yourself. First you introduce about yourself. Explain about your work.
Okay, my name is Akshay Anand. I'm a FDB student. Okay.
I just saw the red.
Then my theme was streetwear culture. So I am inspired from the brand Nike.
Streetwear culture.
Yeah. Most of the streetwear culture are made by Nike. Obviously, and the other brands also make that. But I like Nike. So that's why I make this Jordan.
Can you show your portfolio and how you have been working on that? You can see it. So how did you inspire by
Yeah, I have inspired this shoe by a fictional character called Iron Man, so that I took his color combos. Then I detailed it. Then I had some of the sketches. Then this is also another inspired from the Avengers character Hulk.
So congratulations, Akshay, you have done a wonderful work. So I hope that in the next year also you will work a lot
Yeah,
to improve yourself more and more and be the best future designer. Very good afternoon, Hitesh. Good afternoon, sir. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Fine. So first of all, best of luck for the jury presentation. So you have done a lot of work. So can you explain about, first introduce about yourself and then explain about the works, how you have done research, inspiration, ideation, the complete sequence of your work. Can you explain?
My name is Hitesh. Currently, I am pursuing the Masters of Designing from the FTDI.
Yes.
My team is the athletic shoes, and I want to prepare the athletic shoes, but the shape is not perfect. The first time I was making, first I have to make patterns and the masking on the plastic, and after that I make the.
What was the journey of a design? What is the inspiration of your design?
The inspiration of the design was the athletic shoes. Like when I was in school, I was in sports. So while running, I became comfortable in the shoes. And after that, I make research on the shoes. That there are so many shoes like the athletic, the running shoes, and the ball shoes, or many other shoes. So I want to select this one because I watch sports.
Very good. Congratulations. Very good. You have done such a wonderful work. You have done a pattern engineering box. So best of luck for the next semester.
Thank you, sir.
I hope that you will explore more about the design and ideation and inspiration. Best of luck.
Thank you, sir.
Very good afternoon, Judy. How are you?
Fine.
Best of luck for your Judy presentation. Such a wonderful pattern engineering and illustrations, visualizations you have been done. So can you explain about your theme and what was the sequence of design?
My theme is retro vintage revival, and my inspiration is from tennis 1970s shoes, and I make these prototypes after making pattern.
Very good. This is the pattern engineering box you have done.
Yes.
So wonderful. So what are the process of this pattern engineering? In short, can you explain in short?
First step is lasting, then cut the last from front side and back side, and then remove from last and paste on paper pattern, then make the prototypes.
Very good. So what was the difficulties that you have been faced while you were choosing your theme and doing the research? Can you explain about the difficulties project of whatever you were doing?
There is no such difficulty, but in starting I faced difficulty in measuring the lines.
So congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Best of luck for your jury presentations, and I hope that in future you will improve more and more, and you will be the best future designer. Very good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm all good, sir.
Best of luck for your jury presentations.
Thank you, sir.
So can you tell me about your theme? What was the theme of your concept of design?
Sure, sir. Well, I know you have introduced me already, but I'd like to go again. The name is Rohan, and I'm a car guy myself, right? And I was at the market for some shoes that are inspired by cars or has got some connection to cars because I'm a car guy, and there are a lot of people who are like me, right? So the project is Automotive Glen, that is basically derived by automotive, right? So looking at the market, what's pre-existing in the market right now, going through all these shoes, this is one thing that I could notice, when you see all of these shoes are shoes that are pre-existing by these companies. Like for example, this shoe, Puma Mix, right? For a special edition, for a BMW edition, what they do is the colorway, they put in some M colors, the blue, red and white, and that's about it. The idea over here is to give something more, right? That's the problem statement.
So I
How-
want
Yeah.
to know about in short. You need to explain about the journey of your design.
Yes, sir.
So what was the theme? What was the research, inspiration, ideation, illustration, pattern engineering? And
Yes.
that way you need to explain.
Yes.
So how did you accomplish it?
Yes, sir. So it all begins with the problem. You see a problem in the market. What is the problem? What is the gap that you can fill? So the gap that I found is that special edition collabs that happen with automotive industries are not fulfilled because it's just a colorway and a logo stamped on top of it, right? I want to give it a little bit more. The idea is to take it to the next level, take it another mile. Say how I do it. Say for example, this is the first car. It's a BMW Z3 Coupe. They only made this once.
Yeah.
It's a roadster. This was the one that they made with a hard top. They never made it again. And this is infamously called as the clown shoe in the industry. And that is because of its long hood and the effect that the glass house gives, right? So the idea is to take that essence and put it onto a shoe,
Wow, amazing.
right? So the proportion is the main thing that has to be present in the shoe, and so you can see the shoe is really long, or gives that effect that it is very long and it has got that clown shoe kind of a feel to it. And I have ideated some other designs where I've tried to incorporate different elements from the car and trying to see what fits well. And after doing that, after experimenting here and there, I come up with a final form, and then I rendered it, and this is how it finally looks.
Okay, very good.
Right?
So can you tell me about what is the pattern engineering in footwear prototyping concept?
So well, in terms of prototyping, so these are my 2 prototypes,
Yeah.
and this I did after masking this, and I got this mean form.
Yeah.
From this, I extracted these 2 forms, which are the basic upper forms, and for the sole, I have did quite a lot of design and quite a lot of effort into putting this and making this actually happen, making it real, close to the prototype or the ones that I have done.
Yeah.
And these are other cars. If you want me to stop and talk about them, like this one, for example, is a Spiker C8 1212. That is a singular car that was made for the CEO,
Very good.
right? There's a C8 that exists, but there's a longer tail to it.
Yes, yes.
And inspired from that, these are sketches. There's a render, the Alfa Romeo GT V.
So amazing, Rohan. Your work is amazing. You have explained about your work.
Yes,
and
sir.
you have done very interestingly. So I hope that next. So shall we continue or
Sir, it's up to you, sir. I can speak all day about this.
next semester?
Yes, sir.
Be enthusiastic about your. You do the passions. You have a passion.
Yes, sir.
Do a lot of work.
Sure, sir.
In creativity, imagination, ideation, illustration. Lot of technicalities are there.
Definitely, sir.
So we must be focused on technicalities and be
Exactly.
the professional.
Precisely.
Then only we can achieve the target to be a future
That's why you're here, sir.
Best of luck.
Thanks, sir.
Good afternoon, Rishna. Sir, how are you? How is it going on? Today is your music presentation. Yes, sir. So today is you are the first semester student. So can you explain about your theme and the journey of it, entire journey of a design? How did you accomplish this achievement? What was you are displaying in your journey?
So first, this semester we were asked to make a research on the project. Like this research is going to be and throughout the semester. So we were asked to select a theme. Based on that, we have to make the research. So I did the research. I selected the theme is aggressive. So when I was going through the internet, I came across skateboarding culture is there. Skateboarding is also an aggressive sport. It's not that like it's not going through a normal asphalt. It's going through concrete, rough surface. All of these they give this emotion of aggressiveness. It's very dynamic sport, like rolling 360, all those things.
Very good.
That's how I came up, and then after that I made some sketches, basic sketches, and also I tried to make the foot anatomies, getting the form of the foot right. And after that I started making the patterns, selected the design and made the patterns with it started from the last masking, and after that got the patterns over here, and after that this is the base pattern. From that we
Very
get
good, very good. Okay.
the prototype.
So this was the journey of your design.
Yes, sir.
So best of luck for the next semester. I hope in the next semester you will do a lot of work.
Sure, sir.
And you will achieve the target of being a teacher. Very good afternoon, Rishika. How are you? So today is for your theory presentation. So can you explain about your theme, presentation, and the entire journey of your design in a short?
Sir, my theme is Victorian era, and I am really inspired by it. I am very intrigued with details, so I wanted to work on this topic. So I have made my both of them are ladies' shoes, and I wanted them to look. These are just inspired by Victorian era. They're not very loud because in the Victorian era, as you can see, it's all sparkly, it's all bejeweled, and it's all like decorative. So I have not done that much because I wanted them to look a little more elegant and more wearable. And yes, sir, that is what my theme is.
Very good. Best of luck for your next
Thank you,
semester.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you so
You
much.
have been working a lot in this semester. I hope in the next semester you will try a lot and you will learn a lot to be a future creative designer in the world.
Thank you so much.
Very good afternoon, Abhinaya.
Good afternoon, sir.
Today is your jury presentation
Yes, sir.
of the first semester and test. So, best of luck. And I am very glad to see these kinds of amazing research work you have been conducted and designs you have been ideated. So, can you explain about the journey of the design in short?
With your guidance, thank you for your guidance, sir. So with your guidance, the inspiration is neon tidal. So neon tidal is nothing but neon is a principal element of emphasis. So I want to implement that element in my product. So tidal is nothing but rhythm, movement. So I want to implement some emphasis element with some movement on my product. So I implement it in my product. So this is my product which is showcasing my theme, which is implemented my theme, and this is my mood board which is implemented my theme, and some ideations and some sketches of my neon tidal, and this is my portfolio which is showcasing my products. So this is neon tidal and some detailed explanation of what is soul and what are the material of soul I can use. With your guidance I come to know.
So best of luck,
Yes, sir.
congratulations, Abhinaya.
Yes, sir. Thank
You
you.
have been
Yes,
worked
sir.
a lot,
Yes, sir.
inspirational, and your concept is also amazing.
Yes, sir. Thank you
So
so much.
I congratulate you for the next semester.
Yes, sir.
And I hope that you will work hard and you will learn a lot and to be a future creative designer.
Okay, sir.
Very good afternoon, Sarita, and today is your jury presentation, the first semester, and I hope that you have learned a lot. And from the initial theme, and you have been decided the theme, where the inspiration, ideation, and you have been conducted a lot of research in pattern engineering, and with, you have been accomplished your task. So I hope that then you explain more about your work.
So my theme is maximalistic chaos. So with your guidance, you sent me to research on 100 brands. So I started with my research work. Then I got inspired from Indian tradition. So because everything is going towards minimalism, so but Indian is a rich culture. It is full of color, festival and everything. So I tried to implement that in my shoe. So after doing my research, I started sketching. Then I got approved from you. You told some correction, I made it. Then we did the illustration work. After you taught us pattern making, so this is the pattern we made. And after making pattern, you also taught me how to make the thread pattern of the shoe.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
pattern is also there. So with your guidance, this
Very good. Because of your effort and enthusiasm, it became possible.
Yes.
So best of luck for your future career and do well and try to learn more innovative things and explore your ideas, imaginations, inspiration, and be the creative future designer in the world.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations for today's June presentation. And can you tell me about the journey of design as a designer, how to start and how to finalize the design concept?
So like as you have taught us, we started with the basic sketching and we did the sketches.
Can you
As
tell me
can
about
see.
your theme?
Yeah, so my
First.
theme is most like my inspiration I take it from like the dance walk. So as they use platform shoes and more chunky soles, so that is what my inspiration is all about. So that's why I all my sketches, as you can see, it's all about like bold and more statement making shoes and sneakers. So like these are the ones I developed.
After this, what
Yeah.
you have done?
Like after this, then we, after finalizing the designs, then we went for the pattern.
Pattern
Yeah.
engineering.
Yeah, pattern engineering.
Right.
Then we made a prototype of it. So as you can see from the prototype, like I tried to make something like more statement making and more like emphasis on the soles. And as I wanted to experiment a bit, so I wanted to do something with high top ankles.
Very good. Best of luck for your next semester. And in the next semester, you try your level best
Yeah, sure.
and do more to be a creative future designer.
Thank you.
Very good afternoon, Ankita. So, congratulations for your jury presentation as you are the student of Harness. So, can you explain about the theme of your design and what was the journey of design to achieve these wonderful products?
Thank you, sir. My theme was street art. You can see it was the storyboard, and I took an inspiration from street art. Like, it's basically street art is something which depict the bold and a raw energy and a color. Of course, street art is colorful, which is one of the example is graffiti. And so the first prototype I did is this. So I took an inspiration from typography, which is one of many artists did in their street art. And the second one is the French artist Invader, who took an inspiration from this mosaic artwork, and he usually do the mosaic part. Okay, so I took an implement on this.
Very good. Congratulations for your jury presentation. I hope in the next semester you will do more best. And the best of luck for your future. She is my student, Vishnu Priya, third semester in MTech, and she has worked amazingly according to the theme conceptual footwear design. So I want to know, Priya, what was the journey? How did you design this theme? How you have accomplished the task of design? So in short, please.
Visited Jaipur Palace. So from the walls of those palace, I've taken my color palette. From the walls of those palace, I got inspired because the color of the walls were very vibrant and very monochromatic, and they were coexisting together very beautifully. So I decided the color palette according to that, and the material also I took suede because it's giving a velvet vibe, and that looks royal on the footwear. So I chose the types of leather that so I took maroon and green for the inspiration, and inspiration by
So congratulations, Vishnu Priya. You have been done lot of work. You have gathered a lot of inspiration to design. So best of luck for your future design.
Thank you.
These are my very actual students having third semester semester, and they have work on design. So when you explain, first of all, you explain about and how they have
Good afternoon, myself Anil Yadav. So मेरा थीम मिमिक है और मैंने इंस्पिरेशन लिया है वहाँ से माकितो मुरामा एक जापानीज बॉटनिस्ट है. उससे पहले अमेरिकन एक बॉटनिस्ट और नेचुरलिस्ट आदमी थे वो अलेक्जेंडर हाबोल्ड. उन्होंने नेचर में काम किया था बहुत ज़्यादा. तो उस टाइम पे उसकी टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं थी, तो उसको इंस्पिरेशन लेके मारियो मुकाता में जितने भी हमारे आसपास के इन्वायरमेंट में फ्लावर वेटल्स फ्रूट्स हैं उनको डीप एनालिसिस करते हुए बाया एक्सरे और रेडियोग्राफी के सीटी स्कैन के थे. तो मैंने एक फ्लावर उनका लिया था, बेसिकली वो फ्लावर था लोटस ही. तो उन्होंने स्केच उनका फ्लावर का मैंने शेप लिया और उसको कन्वर्ट किया मैंने डिज़ाइन में कि अपर में डिज़ाइन कैसे होगा, मेस्ट इंस्पिरेशन फुटवेयर में. फिर मैंने डिज़ाइन किया तो मेरा ये फाइनल था. और उसके बाद मेरा सेकंड जो कंसेप्ट था ये था. और उससे पहले फिर मैंने ये उसके बाद ये आइट्रेशन किया था, बहुत सारी चीज़ों का आइट्रेट किया था, कॉन्सेप्ट डिज़ाइन में सारी चीज़ें की थी.
So as you can see, the pattern engineering work has been done by the Anil Yadav, and you can see You can explain. You show them. इसको बुलाओ. Thank you. He is my student. He is the class. So he is a wonderful student. Third semester MDes. So he has done very intellectual work based on research, inspiration and animation. So he have been achieved the he will explain about his research, inspiration, ideation, illustration, and entire data engineering and programming.
Hello everyone, so this is my work. My work is on rustic countryside, as you can see. So why rustic countryside? Like there are two types of people who are living in the countryside. One is like cowboys, farmers. So I've inspired from the farmers and cowboys and I've made a couple of books, one single one, one middle one. And there are more elegant people living there, like where the cafes and all are living there, people used to wear elegant style shoes, so my elegant types of collection. And there is a prototype of sneakers, like this is my running sneaker and lifestyle sneaker and a casual sneaker. So basically these are prototypes, not actually made of the actual material. So for the actual material this would look like this in suede colors, suede textures and colors. And there is another theme I have chosen which I am currently working on. It's completely about bike riding boots. So I am currently researching on it and trying to develop riding boot, more affordable riding boot for city riding. So this is my inspiration. So that's it. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Very good afternoon. These are my friends and BDES student. Yeah, very good afternoon. These are my third semester BDES Bachelor in Design student, and they have conducted our conceptual design work. Amazing. In elements of design, they have been conducted a lot of research and different kinds of elements they have been gathered based on their research and inspiration. And color combinations, they have played with amazing colors. So the students will explain about their theme, inspiration, ideation and illustration. Let's have a look.
Hi, I'm Ushoshi Das, and in Elements of Design, in our second semester, in third semester, we had to do 100 photo research in different type of themes. I have chosen luxury theme, punk rebellion theme, skate culture, streetwear, futuristic, and eco. This is my research work and my inspiration for futuristic, street style, retro. My sketch selection. And then my Adobe illustration and rendering. We had to make a brand story. With that help, we had to make a logo design and a brochure design.
Hi, my name is Monik Singh, and for my portfolio I had chosen the theme of autumn, and according to that I had done first the research for around 100 shoes, and then we had to make around 10 designs for the same. These are the ideation rough sketches. After that the sketches that I have made in Adobe. Then we were asked to make a brochure for one particular shoe, and according to that we had to make our brand also, and here's the logo for the brand. I've added the ideation and as well as the story and keywords for the brand. That is the logo. That's it.
Hi, I'm Vanshika and my theme was sports nostalgia, which is all about reviving old retro sneaker silhouettes and varsity tones and heritage material like suede, leather and mesh. So this is my inspiration, these are my sketches, and these are the final designs I finalized. This is my brand story for my logo design, and this is the ideation. This is the final logo design. and then my brochure. And
Hi, this is Kanishka Manghani. For the topic, for the subject elements of design, I had chosen the topic Medusa. Here you can see the inspiration board, and here is my inspiration board and the designs which I have made. This is the hand-drawn design, this is Adobe Illustrator design, and I have AI generated the image that how would it look like in real life. These are the designs. So now this is my logo, and this is our brand logo stories, and the last page is of brochure. Thank you.
Now let's come again to my third semester intellectually. They have been dedicated to our classes, and they have been gathered these kinds of achievements you can see. So these are the students of Bachelor in Design. They will explain about their journey of a design and inspiration. Let's have a look.
So we were given the work to select a theme and research on the footwear that have been related to those themes. So we have studied 100 brands and then moved to the forward part that she will explain.
Further, we have worked on the ideation part of the theme which we have taken, in which we have done the pencil sketches along with the Adobe, working on the Adobe Illustrator.
फिर ये जो हमने एडोबी पे टेक्सचर ऐड करके हमने 3D प्रिमिटिव फाइल करें बाकी डिजाइन ये हमारे पोर्टफोलियो एलिमेंट्स ऑफ डिज़ाइन के लिए हमने कुछ डिज़ाइंस बनाए थे। पहले रिसर्च कंक्लूजन, उसके बाद स्केचेस एंड डिज़ाइन। करवा रहा है ये लोगो, ये
So moving forward to my work, I have chose Sparkle Luxury as my theme. Went through the research and inspiration part to ideation, which is pencil sketching of my ideas. Then moved towards to the illustration part that I have done in the Adobe Illustrator. And the final part was material selection for the footwear that are to be generated in real life. This is the portfolio that I have created. Each and every part has been done with the help of Adobe Illustrator, including the generation of the brand logo and the brochure. This is also being done in Adobe Illustrator along with the brochure part.
So when I was doing my research on 100 brands, so that I was very much influenced by the bold colors and silhouettes of the footwears which the brands were using. So after in that between, I got influenced with the most of the influencers concept. So they were using different kinds of sole and different kind of material in them. Then I started with the ideation part. I sketched it on a paper. Then I did on Adobe Illustrator. I added texture according to my concept. Then after I worked on making the logo. This is the name of my logo, which is Vicious Cycle. This is my portfolio. I have worked on boldness. This is my inspiration board and research conclusion. This is the ideation, and these are my designs. Talking about this specific design, this is influenced, this is an amalgamation of femininity along with masculine energy because of these straps in it. All over I have worked on different silhouettes and colors along with the textures. This is my brand logo.
So our
presentation. My topic was Echoes of Tomorrow, which is basically a mix of futurism and nature. This is my portfolio. These are the sketches, ideation, my final renderings. This is what the inspiration was.
These are my 10 sketches, 10 design of shoes based on retro theme. There is my logo, there is the name of the brand, Maison Retroso. Maison is French word, means house. Retro so represents retro shoe, so Maison Retroso. This is my portfolio. Basically consists of 3 sections: the designing part, the shoe designing part, logo designing part, and brochure designing part. This is the inspiration. Then this is the theme retro. Retro is basically nostalgia with past feelings and essence of present. Then these are some of the inspirations. Then here are 10 designs, as you can see there also. After these designs, here's the logo for my brand. There is the name. This is the brochure which I designed for the whole brand and all the 10 shoes. You can also see there. Here's the back part of that brochure. Okay, thank you.
So hi, so she is Mansi, my third semester student. I'm best in design. So she will explain about my journey of design, research, inspiration, and what she has achieved their targeted goal.
So the topic of my unit today is Manjari. Manjari is a Hindi word. It means craftsmanship, hand craftsmanship, which is something India specializes in. But unfortunately, it has become limited only to the niche shoes, because some of the shoes that are more indigenous in approach have only been utilizing this technique. Sadly enough, the market is shrinking for these shoes, and more of the Indian youth is now focused on westernized fashion, which brings us to sneakers, because sneakers are the shoes of tomorrow and presently as well. People are looking at sneakers for comfort and non-leather alternatives as well. But sadly enough, indigenous shoes are losing their potential. So to connect the limiting factors for our indigenous handcraft people who are not getting enough jobs, and the market is not there for them anymore, and the market is expanding more towards sneakers, I have decided to come up with a design that blends both of them, so that people who are wearing sneakers can have a variety of sneaker options as for good alternatives for a dress shoe maybe, and people who earn a living out of it have viable sources. That is my concept in a nutshell. Thank you.
Hi, these are my third semester and we are design students. So they have done wonderful design. So they will explain about their design concept,
जो मेरा शू है वो इंस्पायर्ड है मूनलाइट से, माइथोलॉजिकल इजिप्शियन पे है, जो इंस्पिरेशन इसमें मैंने मोटिव्स लिए हैं, सिलवेट्स लिया है शूज़ का, मून का, एंड इंस्पिरेशन बोर्ड है, मूड बोर्ड डार्क और लाइट को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, टेक्सचर बोर्ड है, हमने कैनवस और रेक्सिन का यूज़ किया है। ये आइडिएशन किया कि किस तरीके से वो शू दिखेगा, देन फाइनल प्रोडक्ट मेरा ये बनाया है। पैटर्न इंजीनियरिंग कर रखी है, फाइनल प्रोडक्ट ये एक्सेस वर्क है जो मैंने अपने खुद से किया है।
मैंने जो शू बनाया है मैंने बेंटन पे बनाया है, और मेरा थीम बोर्ड था स्टिंग फ्लाई। जैसे कि देख सकते हैं इसका एलिमेंट्स भी लिया है, ये मेरा थोड़ी स्केच था और रेंडर्ड शू और वो शू बनाया है। थैंक यू।
So, very good afternoon. My first semester student, Dave. So he achieved these kinds of wonderful achievements in design. So he has been accomplished this wonderful achievement. So he will explain about the journey of his design and work.
So basically, my theme is street style. Okay. Then this is my sketches, and after the sketching, then rendering, then standard after making patterns, sole pattern. After this is my prototype, and this is my second prototype, and this tiny derby I made, and this is my portfolio, and this is my material files.
Yeah, very good afternoon. Good afternoon, my third semester student. And Chirag, the students of Master in Design. He has a wonderful and amazing product design work. So they will explain about their achievements. Let's have a look.
So basically, my concept here is using denim and like upcycling it to, make some usable footwear or usable product. So my concept was basically there are two designs. One is inspired from snake serpents. This is called the Shit Concept serpents, and the other one is inspired from my favorite car, which is Porsche 911. So it's called Shit Concepts .911. So this is the 911 design, which has a gum sole and all over denim components.
Hello, my name is Chirag, and there are two concepts which I have worked on. First one, the first two shoes are based on a game character called Sova. I am highly inspired by his abilities, and the shoes are based on their abilities. The first one is a football shoe, which is a homage to his skills to scan the opponent's area. Similarly, the shoes is a sign that you can scan your goals, and this one is inspired from his drone. And the mudguard, which is in blonde color, shows represents its head, Sova's head. And the third design is based on sand. This is a slide which is inspired from the softness of the sand and the way it feels good on our foot. So this is our concept. Thank you.
Very good afternoon. So he is my eldest student, Aman, and Meghna. So she will explain about her work and achievements.
So my theme is avant-garde, which is like, if I say, it's not normal what we wear every day, and his is
pop culture. So it's based on different kinds of web series, movies, TV shows, novels, etc.